Avalanche bass part, they come in measure 3, basses come in measure 3. I'm going to say 1, 2, set, go, and then I'm going to count 2 measures and it will be measure 3. So if you're a violin player, you would start after I say set, go. Here we go. 1, 2, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, measure 3. 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. One, two, three, four, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Two, three, four, 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.